Hi guys, today I'm going to show you where to get icons for your iPhone. So basically, there are two apps that are very easy to use. One is called the Top Widget app, and this is a very easy app to use. It has a paid and free version. The free version is really cool to use. It doesn't have too much ads, so I don't want to pay for it. And it's quite easy to use. It has some nice icons. But there's one thing the other app I'm going to tell you about has that this one doesn't have. But pretty much this is cool and it serves its purpose. Next one is called iScreen. So the reason why I like this app is because it has descriptive icons unlike the other app. So this has both descriptive icons and photo or picture icons. I love the descriptive icons for the dock area because that area doesn't have or provide titles for the app. So it's easier to understand when you look at the app, the dock area, you know what app it is, as opposed to using a photo icon for that area. That just works for me. They're both good in their own ways and they offer different types of pictures on the icons, and this is also has a free and paid version, and the ads are also minimal like the Top Widget app. So I would recommend you guys to get two of these apps for you to check out which one you really love, or you could just get one of them. They will provide good wallpapers. They're quite decent quality from photographic wallpaper or photography wallpaper, animal wallpaper to cars and whatnot. So I highly recommend them. If you would love to learn how to design or customize your iPhone, you can click on the link above to see how I made this design. If you'd also like to know how to install the icons, click on the link above to go watch a video I made before this one so you can understand how to easily install or save the icons on your phone to work properly with your apps. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.